So now is the part of the agenda where we hope things begin to consolidate and come together. You will probably notice that we have the topics listed out of numerical order in the agenda, but don't pay attention to that, just keep the numbers. The goals of the session are to solidify the ideas from all the previous discussion and from the poll that we sent out, to consider them from a little bit of different point of view, to think again about why they're important, what's the connection to NHGRI, is there anything missing, big missing at this stage, and most importantly, to consolidate these ideas and categorize them, to make them as clear as possible, so we can feed them into the next final prioritization session. The format is brief panel views and discussion. We want this, we hope that, we know that the topic moderators have already started to consolidate topics, and we'll probably start from that format. And they're going to try to render all the ideas for each topic session to as small a coherent group as possible, certainly no more than 6 to 10 per topic, probably less if they can. This is going to feed in, just to give you an idea where this is going, and it's a little bit experimental. Once this is done for all 4 topics, so the rest of the day and the morning tomorrow, these will be consolidated and fed into the final session. And we're going to try to do, take the temperature of the entire set of participants with sort of dot storming voting exercise. We have to still figure out exactly the details of that between now and then. It somewhat depends on how many ideas we get, but that's where we're headed. So with that, I'd like to invite the first topic moderator and topic discussants